Why are you guys here?
We got a call from a concerned
Already told you.
neighbor.
Okay, but you know everything is good now, so get the out of here, please. Thank you. You still here?
It's a public property.
No problem, no problem. Help me understand what it is that we do.
I've already told you.
Tell me. I'm here. I'm here. I'm working with you guys. Tell me what you want. I was not doing anything wrong, not causing complication to anybody.
You didn't say you were.
Why are you here then?
We get a call.
All right. I get it. I get it. You got it.
Okay.
But why are you still here?
We're still talking,
We're
bro.
still talking.
Okay. All right, let's talk.
Okay. So, what's going on? Well, like I said, we got calls about that.
What's going on?
Do not raise your voice to me, sir.
I wasn't raising my voice.
Okay, just calm down.
I am calm.
See, somehow, with the way that you're approaching us like that, I don't necessarily believe you.
I pay right here.
Okay.
Do you pay right here? I don't have to approach you in any kind of way. The law states that I can live my life freely as I want to. Fuck you guys, right?
Yes! Yes! You too!
It ultimately, right?
Okay.
So now, talk to me. Tell me what's going on.
We told you what's going on, but you don't want
Right.
to.
Okay. All right. All right. You told me what's going on, and I already told you what the I think about it.
Okay.
So now what? Tell me. Talk to me. Well, now what?
All we're doing is talking, man.
Right. So what are we talking about?
Like I said, seeing what was going on. We get calls, we gotta see what's
You
going
know
on.
what's going on now. So now what?
You haven't told us anything of what's going on.
So what do you want to know?
Dude, I'm not gonna keep repeating myself.
No. Tell me what you want to know. You said I haven't told you anything. Tell me what you don't want to know.
I asked you what was going on.
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay?
No arguments, no nothing like
No,
that?
nothing. Have we been into an argument?
You didn't call the police. This has nothing to do with.
So now what?
Well, like I said, we got calls about it, so
Okay,
we gotta
so
talk to
nothing
you.
is f***ing going on.
Well, listen
right
to what
now.
I'm telling you.
Huh?
Listen to what I tell you.
Tell me.
Okay? So we talk to you, they say that you're fighting with people, so we're talking to people that are out
Who
here.
gives a f*** what they say? That I fight with people. You know nothing is going on. So what now is what I'm saying.
I didn't know that.
What now is what I'm saying. Talk to me. Come on, you two are here. What the f*** are we doing? Talk to me. What now?
We've already explained it to you.
Correct.
Okay?
All right. Okay.
You're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Man,
All
you're
right.
good?
Yeah. Are you good? So now what?
Nothing, we're
Get
gonna
the
leave.
f*** out of here, please. Please, go. You see your car and your car over there? Get the f*** off. Thank you. Are we good now?
We're great.
Thank you.
That's how it starts.
Enough.
Get the f*** out of here.
You want to come with me?
5 minutes later.
Raise your hand. Put your hands up in the air right now. Get on the ground. Now, or you will get hit with this.
Face down on the ground.
Get off the phone.
Down on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on it now.
Hands on your back. Go down.
Upper hand. I've done nothing wrong. Literally just ignored it. It was too much. Oh my God. Let's see what this does. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're just mad. Because I just don't want nothing to deal with them. I'm a black man just trying to live in America. That's all. I don't want no problems, no complications. I didn't ask for this.
And we're
Get
gonna
the
leave.
f*** out of here, please! They came f***ing with me. Like I was literally on the phone. They asked me to get on the ground and everything. Like I didn't do anything wrong, period. But I gotta get on the ground and all that other shit just because they asked me to. I didn't do nothing wrong. I was literally on the phone having a conversation. What's the charges that you have on me?
Disorderly intox.
What?
Disorderly intox.
What?
What?
Yeah.
Man, look at, man, hell no.
Hell no.
Oh my God, this lawsuit is gonna be lovely. Type of fucking way, I can do him any type of way. You in that bag, you dumbass motherfucker. This shit ain't gonna do shit for me. I'm gonna be out in the next day, probably today, you stupid bitch. And I'm still gonna sue. How does that feel to you? Dumbass motherfucker. Hurry up and do your paperwork so I can get the fuck out of here. You know, I'm sure you probably got the little dick syndrome. Your wife is probably like, he's too small for me. She needs somebody to please her. Maybe she should meet me. Somebody with a bigger dick than you who can please her. You bitch. Come on up on the scene. It's like, oh, yeah. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. You bitch. You got a badge. You don't want to figure out what the fuck is going on. I'm in there for it. Like I didn't even do anything wrong. I'm literally just outside talking on the phone.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
I didn't do shit wrong. My rights are stored, and I'm the same person that I've always been. It's just that I'm not gonna take shit from you. What did I say that again? When you pulled up or something? Like what? When did I say that?
Whole time we were there.
Oh, the whole time I was there. So I said, fuck off. Fuck off. That's what I said? You are full of shit. You go home and sleep with your wife at night, lying to yourself? I see why you're a police officer in this shit. Because you're full of shit. I never said those things. I never told you guys to fuck off. Period. Get the fuck out of here, please! But I get it. When you're writing a report, you gotta make it sound good. You're so full of up, it's not even funny. Yes, I am in pain. These handcuffs are hurting me severely. Like, I can't even deal with it. No, I'm in pain. Like, ow! Ow! I'm in pain. This guy isn't tending to my needs. I am in pain. I am in pain. I am in pain. Do you care? Do you care that I'm in pain? Do you care?
Would you like me to call fire rescue for you?
Yes, I do. Yes, I want you to call the fire rescue.
For what?
I'm in pain. These handcuffs are basically, I'm in pain. Yes, you asked me a question. Yes, I want you to call fire rescue.
What kind of pain?
You asked me a question.
And I'm asking you the question now?
I'm in pain. These handcuffs are cutting out my circulation. I can't even breathe in the sense. Oh my God. He already asked me if I was in pain. I said yes. I said yes, call the fire and rescue. He said he wasn't going to do it. Do you have this recording out of curiosity? Please, I hope. Okay, yeah, so he had me, asked me. I can't keep them together like I'm praying.
Hold on, so I don't lock it.
No problem. I'll do whatever you guys are saying. It's just, I'm trying to listen to what you're saying.
You're gonna sit over there.
That's a little better.
Embarrassing. Close decline.
Pretty on. It's okay with speaking.
You arrest me?
Okay.
Don't do that. Turn around.
Give me a second.
Turn around.
Okay.
Give me your other hand. And just relax.
We'll be all set. Yeah. Get back and out. Tell him, leave me alone. I'm positive. I haven't had my meds yet.
Okay.
I think I'm going nuts.
Is this?
Widen your stance for me, okay? Widen your stance. Thank you.
Watch my phone.
Don't yell at me.
No, not you, Mom. Not you.
Okay.
No, you're a lady.
What's your name?
Figure it up.
Can you tell me your name? Excuse me.
I'll tell you my name.
What's your name?
Grab my phone, Mom.
I'll grab it in just a second, okay?
Okay.
Do you have statements in the back of your car, or do you want me to run my car and grab it? I'll look at you. Okay.
Let's see. After I disappointed myself without having my,
You're lazy.
What do you mean?
my,
Thank you.
How you doing?
You think that's enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
You give me a second page just in case, but I think it'll be fine.
If you do not,
Okay.
you'll get in trouble, not me.
Trouble for what? What are you talking about?
Oh, just watch.
For what?
Oh, just watch.
have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, let's see.
I have no pride.
Blake, what's your birthday?
How about you figure it out?
You gonna keep me in Maine?
Oh, you're living back here hot as shit. Take me there. Stop.
Where?
Get me the out of here. I am never coming back here again. You know what? That's how black people are.
What? No. Come here. Look at me. Hey. What? You want to? No. What?
Black people what?
That's what you do.
What do we?
And I'm half black and Italian.
You're half black and Italian?
Yes.
Goodness.
I like you, man. You lie a lot. You
Get me
lie a lot.
out of this car. Hurry up.
Like, Italian stuff. You know what I would have done for you?
You don't give a Bobby.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, right.
Why would you say that?
I'm Italian Irish.
I thought you were Italian and black.
I am mixed.
You're Italian and black Irish?
Gotcha. Gotcha.
I am mixed. Yes.
You're Italian and black. But now you say
There's nothing you can do. Get me out of this. Some half black, half white, half Italian. How in the half? It's way too hot back here. Do you know what it's like? Being half black, white? You have no idea. You don't know. Irish, black. You know what? I don't give a shit. Anyways.
How long you been in Key West?
I came here one fucking day.
You've only been here one day?
Yes.
You've got history of you.
Yeah, the black and the white comes out. Take it. Trust me, you will be in trouble.
Have I arrested you? I'll be in trouble?
I don't care. I don't give a.
Where's your wallet?
She has it. I literally went to her and asked her for my wallet. Okay. And they punched me in the face. Yeah, they did. You did not watch me.
Hey!
And you're gonna go home. You're gonna go away. Wallet away.
Come on, please!
Go away. No, you're going. You're going. I am walking away. Put your hand behind your back. No. Put your hand behind your back. I'm walking away.
Giving you a play.
Nope, stop. Wait, give me those hands. Stop.
No.
Get back. Put your hand behind your back.
Come on, vacation. We got probation, pussy. Hey. Stop. Yeah, fuck all time.
Whoa. Stand up. Ma'am, I asked for help. Hell, dude. Ma'am, I got my ass kicked in the alley here. Why am I arrested? I got my ass kicked in the alley because a bunch of drunk white guys kicked the shit out of me because Alabama was beating Georgia. Why am I the one getting the shit kicked out of me? Steph, by a bunch of Alabama fans, dude. I was walking back. They said, roll bulldog, and I said, roll tide, and then they jumped the shit out of me. And then the next thing I knew, I had a bunch of dudes carry me out with my knees burned out. Sir, how do I know what's going on? I got the shit kicked out of me by a bunch of Georgia State fans.
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
The next thing I know, I'm throwing the back of a ticket. Sir, my wife graduated from Georgia. What do you want me to say? Sirs, please, sirs, please, help me. Babe, I didn't do Steph, I was at the bathroom and they beat the shit out of me. Steph, They beat the shit out of me at the bathroom. Steph, they beat the shit out of me at the bathroom. The bathroom. They beat the shit out of me at the bathroom. Bathroom Tima.